Hey guys, so I'm just doing a quick video. I wasn't able to record anything today. It was a long and stressful day, and I'm not feeling good. I just sat up and I felt like I was about to puke. So, it's just gonna be a short video. But it's a video, so you can't say I didn't, make one for today. 'Cause I did. I might just put up the tribute video um, with some older footage of like a couple days ago, like Friday. Um, Along with this video, if I can, I don't know. I might do that tomorrow. No, tomorrow there's gonna be a vlog. I will do that. I will make sure that my prom dress gets in it, and I also found my shoes for it. I'm so excited. Um, yeah, my nails are still done. I like them. I like red nails. My nephew wanted to paint them, so he painted this hand. And I painted this one. And then he painted my toes, but I'm not going to show my toes. Because I think feet are gross. But besides that, yeah, so just a quick video. And if you don't like the way YouTube works, like, I know lots of people probably do the send feedback button at the bottom right of your screen over there. Over there. Um, there's a send feedback button, and all they do is, oh, I don't like it, go back to the old YouTube. They won't do that, okay? But there's a survey, and if you're 18, go take that survey. They will listen, hopefully. I took it, so, but go take it. Um, yeah, I did go to school today though. Uh, I was not allowed to stay home. I think I don't feel good because I'm just tired. But I don't know. Um, yeah, tomorrow you will see my dress. I promise. Um, yeah, and that will probably be the only time you will see me in a dress. And on April 20th, you will get. Well, 21st, you will get 2 videos. Because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to vlog April 20th. Well, I'll vlog. It just might not come up until around 2 or 3 in the morning, April 21st. And then you'll get the April 21st vlog later that day. Because that's prom and post-prom. Because they don't let you upload stuff to YouTube at school. So, yeah. Just let you know. Um, yeah. So I found my phone a couple days ago actually, but I thought I had lost my phone, and so I was scared that I lost it, but I didn't. It was in my dad's car. But yeah, this is my phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy, the first one. Oh, and it doesn't do that. Like, okay, so here's the other phone, and it doesn't do that. You have to go to applications. I have the hiccups. And then you go to bump. Told you I have the hiccups. And what you do is you bump. Ugh. Sorry, guys. I got the hiccups. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog because these hiccups won't go away. And it's making me to look like I'm crying right now. And I'm not. It just is giving me watery eyes. So, I'm gonna end the vlog. Good night, guys.